Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a website or a blog, whatever you want to do with it. The first thing you need to do is to download WordPress on this website. Just click here, wordpress.org, and you'll end up with a zip file which you can then decompress into your WordPress folder. Then once you've done that, you just need to find a domain name for your website. You can choose any name. These names on this site, Godaddy.com, are premium, so you'll have to pay for them. If you want a free one, you can go to CoCc, or there are a couple of others. Give it a Google. Once you've got that, you can sign in. Where you can change your name servers. It will be on all domain managers. Now you need the web host. This is a free one. You can get packages of more expensive ones, which will mean you get more space, disk space and stuff. But if you want a free one, go to www.00webhost.com. It's quite a good one, link in description. Sign up for that. So now you're in, it'll come up with all your websites. Just click create new, like that, and then you can create your domain. So now I've into my domain once you've created it, and what you want to do is create a MySQL database. You'll be able to do this on most hosting sites. So now you're in MySQL database. You'll be able to see all your databases and to create one. So I've just created one already, and I just called it my name. It really doesn't matter what you call it. So just type in here, click create database, and now you'll see this. Now what you want to do is, first of all, before you do this, you want to set your name servers by clicking set name servers. You want your first, if you're using 000webhost.com like I am, then you want your name server 1 to be ns01.00webhost.com and your name server 2 to be ns02.000webhost.com. Then just click OK on that, and then that will link your domain name to your web host. Now that you've done that, you can simply now all you want to do is open up WordPress folder there that you created on your desktop earlier, and under WP config, what you want to do is you want to rename that to just config without the sample, and open that with Notepad. Scroll down and you'll see where you want to put this details into here. So first of all, copy that, paste that in there, copy that, type in your password. I'm not going to show it on here, so type it in there, and in your SQL host, post that. Then simply save that. That's all done. Now I'm going to change it with my password. You're not going to see this bit. Okay, so now you've got your WordPress folder. Now what you need to do is you need to upload your WordPress folder onto your web host. So what you want to do is you want to open up Filezilla, which is an FTP server, which will be able to do that for you. The only thing is, when you write in your name servers, it can take up to a couple of hours. It usually takes about an hour, so bear that in mind. Now what you want to do is you want to write in on your host, you want to type in the name of your website, your domain. So mine is my name. That's my domain name. In your username, you want to write the first bit of your username, and the password you used here.
don't know what you used, but just write that in there. Port 21 by default, but it doesn't matter, just click connect. And then you'll be into your web host, so you'll be into your MySQL database which you just created. If you find on here, I saved mine on my desktop, the WordPress folder that you created at the beginning of the tutorial with the WP config at the bottom there that we created, and you want to highlight all of that and drag it into public. You don't want to drag it here, you're not allowed to download there, it won't work. Make sure you put it in your public folder, drag that in there. It takes about 5 minutes probably. Now you can go on your domain and it'll be installed. Thank you for watching.